Hey everybody, I want to talk about pull-ups and ways to work up to pull-ups today. So I see a lot of people who either have never been able to do a pull-up and that's one of their goals, or they can do pull-ups but they're having pain in their shoulders right now with pull-ups, or they're just having shoulder pain in general, and doing pull-ups would be a really beneficial thing to load the tissue to try to stimulate that recovery process. So regardless, pull-ups are a great exercise, but just a regular old pull-up is a lot to ask. So some common ways that people scale pull-ups are to use a band on the bar, and you stand on the band to kind of help yourself up. That's a fine way to make it a little bit easier. I find that sometimes it's hard to graduate from that. A lot of people will also do like a rowing motion on the rings or a TRX straps, and kind of like this. Which is also a great exercise, but you're really getting this horizontal pull, and that's different than the vertical pull of a pull-up. So I'm going to show you a couple ways that I really like to kind of progress towards pull-ups, keeping that vertical pull. So you'll need a little bit of a lower bar. So if you're at a gym, you can put a barbell on the rig, or you can just find a playground with some lower bars for the kids to play on. But you need something a little bit lower. You can also use rings or TRX straps and just make sure you're pulling vertically. But anyway, so one thing I really like to do is just use your feet to assist you, but keep that vertical pull. So you'd hang on to the bar, and then feet are in front of you, and you're not just standing up with your feet, but they're there to help you if you want, and then focus on pulling with your back first. And just use your feet as much as possible, or I mean as little as possible. Really working on going straight up and down and not out to the back. So then another thing you can do is grab a box and put your feet up on a box. And same thing, keep that vertical pull. So feet go on the box, and then you're not coming back this way. That's that horizontal position. So stay straight up and down and pull up this way. So similar idea, kind of using your legs to assist you on that pull, but I find that eventually you can get to the regular pull-up a little more quickly, because that carryover is more direct when you're practicing the vertical pull versus like the ring rows when you're really pulling horizontal. So something to try if pull-ups are on your list of goals and you're on your way there.